Hello everyone. Welcome back to Purple Digital. I'm Ravi Shekhar and today I'm going to walk you through the process of getting a free domain and a hosting for your website. Whether you are a small business owner, a blogger, or just want to showcase your work online, having your own website can make a world of difference. And the best part, you can get started without spending a dime. So let's dive in. First things first. We are going to snag a free domain name from FREENOM. FREENOM offers variety of domain extensions like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf and .gq. Let's get started. Head over to the FREENOM website and click on the sign in or register button. Fill in your details and make sure to verify your email. Once you are logged in, use FREENOM's search tool to find an available domain name that suits your website. Select your desired domain, choose an extension and add it to your cart. Follow the checkout process to register your free domain. Now that we have our domain, let's set up hosting with FREEHOSTING.com. It's time to bring your website to life. Head over to FREEHOSTING.com and sign up for an account. Fill in your details and remember to verify your email. Once you are logged in, you will have to access to your cPanel. From here, you can upload your website files. You can either use the FTP client for this step or you can also use the file manager. To make your domain point to your freehosting.com servers, you will need to update your DNS setting. In your cPanel, you will find the necessary DNS information provided by freehosting.com. Copy and paste these details into your FREENOM account. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about some limitations. While free domain and hosting offers fantastic opportunities, they often come with restrictions on resources, bandwidth, and support. Keep in mind that your website's performance might be affected if you receive a high amount of traffic. Additionally, free hosting services may display ads on your website, which could impact the user experience. And there you have it. You have successfully secured a free domain name from FREENOM and set up hosting for your website on freehosting.com. Now you are ready to start building your online presence without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Be sure to subscribe to Purple Digital for more tips and tricks on navigating the digital world. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.